create design, tapos choose IN, which is inches, and then 4/8 di bang gagawin natin, so multiply nyo lang times 12, 4 times 12, and then 9 times 12. Problema is may limit si Canva, so ang gagawin natin ay i-divide natin both yung height at width, divide by 2. So yung 96 i-divide natin by 2, which is magiging 48 na lang. Then 48 divided by 2 is 24. Yun yung gagawin nating size for 4/8. I-divide natin by 2. And then create design. Ayan. Ganyan ang lalabas na 4/8, which is dinivide natin by 2. And then download lang natin. Gawa tayo sa Photoshop. Hindi talaga ako marunong mag-Photoshop, kaya sa Canva ako pinapagawa ko yung mister ko. So ayan, sinubukan ko lang siya. I-download yung ginawa natin. So kahit maliit siya, hindi siya ma-distort kasi almost the same size lang. Yun lang, sana makatulong.